Hi everyone, welcome to 229th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Macrina, Department of Economics 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by ISR International STEAM Research. Get future ready. The headlines this week. eComPhyMathix 2025 inspires young innovators across North Bengal. Students show confidence and courage at 23rd Elite Talk. Ruler field visit bridge classrooms and communities. Workshop on web development equips students with full stack skill. Special lecture explores evaluation of physical education. Sciences Department hosts vibrant Freshers' Day. The news in detail. Siliguri. eComPhyMathix 2025 inspires young innovators across North Bengal. Dona Saha, BCA Department 3rd semester.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri hosted its 11th annual Inter-School Science Festival eComPhyMathix 2025, drawing 447 students from 11 leading schools across North Bengal. The one-day mega event featuring 13 competitions across 5 venues celebrated the scientific curiosity, creativity and technical brilliance of young minds. The festival opened with an inaugural ceremony led by Rector Father Tommy Augustine and Principal Father Dr. Babu Joseph. Organized by students of Economics, BCA, Computer Science, Physics and Mathematics, the event blended technical challenges with creative pursuits, embodying the spirit of interdisciplinary learning. From competitive coding in CodeChef and cybersecurity contests like Capture the Flag to artistic showcases such as Sci-Guys and Cinema, the program offered platforms for diverse talents. Other highlights included MathWiz, BizWiz and CrossViews, ensuring participation across varied interests. Participating schools included Don Bosco Siliguri, Don Bosco Mirik, St. Joseph's Bhaktinagar, St. Xavier's Siliguri, Darjeeling Public School, Nirmala Convent School, Auxilium New Chamta, Marbert High School Siliguri, Germals Academy Siliguri, Delhi Public School and Caesar School Malbazar, accompanied by 23 faculty mentors. The day concluded with a grand valedictory and prize distribution ceremony. Nirmala Convent School emerged as the overall champion, securing first place, followed by Don Bosco School Siliguri in second and St. Joseph School Bhaktinagar in third.
Dona Saha reporting. Siliguri. Student shows confidence and courage at 23rd Elite Talk. Rakchanda Chhetri, Department of History, 5th semester reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri held the 23rd edition of its prestigious Elite Talk, August 28, 2025. A total of 7 students presented talks on various themes, judged by assistant professors Testoni from English and Srijana Sinha from Geography. The presentation by 7 students included Impact of Fictional Show in My Life by Awan Pradhan Mathematics, Procrastination by Antap Thakur History, and The Power of One Small Step by Sweata Rai Commerce. Presentations were also given by Sweata Rai Psychology on Scene, Pratna Singh History on From Page to Stage, Rakchanda Chhetri Psychology on Silent Battles, and Sister Madhusmita English on Leaving Pleasure to Embrace Treasure. Sister Madhusmita and Sweata Rai were recognized for their compelling presentation. The program concluded with a vote of thanks by Apurva Chhetri, followed by the national anthem and a group photograph.
Rakchanda Chhetri reporting. Siliguri. Ruler field visit bridges, classrooms and communities. Irfan Sheikh, BSW Department, 5th semester reports.
A transformative 3-day field visit to Bhagavati village in Chopra, West Bengal, provided Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri students with invaluable hands-on learning experience. From August 22nd to 24th, 6 student trainees engaged in the visit. supported by Miss Sneha Maria, coordinator of the Center for Advancement, aimed to provide a deeper understanding of rural community life and social work principles. By applying participatory rural appraisal, students analyze the village's socio-economic conditions, gaining a deeper understanding of challenges like seasonal unemployment and limited access to higher education. Through active community interaction and a transit walk, they developed essential skills in observation, communication, and teamwork. The experience was an invaluable opportunity to bridge theory with practice and strengthen their commitment to social change.
Irfan Sheikh reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri, workshop on web development equips students with full stack skills. Sweata Rai, BCA Department first semester reports.
The Department of Computer Science and Applications, Salesian College Autonomous, Siliguri campus hosted a hands-on workshop on web development using PHP and MySQL on 22nd August 2025 at JPM Hall. Dr. Avijit Datta, System Administrator at Coach Bihar Panchanan Burma University, led the sessions with an engaging blend of theory and practical application. Participants gained foundational insights and full-stack development skills, enhancing their readiness for real-world web solutions. Dr. Datta made complex concepts feel approachable. I now feel confident building dynamic websites from scratch, shared a third-year BCA student. This workshop was a turning point in how I see my future in tech. Assistant Professor Tanay Bhadra coordinated the 3-hour workshop.
Sweata Rai reporting. Siliguri, special lecture explores evaluation of physical education. Rishiraj Gurung, Department of Physical Education and Sports, third semester reports.
An interactive special lecture on evolution of physical education in Asia and Europe captivated students at Salesian College, Siliguri on August 26, 2025. Head of Physical Education Department, Ananda Chandra College, Jalpaiguri, Dr. Bhushan Adhikari, was the guest lecturer. He offered valuable insights into the historical development of physical education, tracing its growth from ancient traditions to modern systems. Dr. Adhikari's lecture highlighted the comparative aspects of Eastern and Western practices and their influence on present-day physical education. Some 72 students and faculty actively participated in a thoughtful question and answer session that followed the lecture.
Rishiraj Gurung reporting. Siliguri, Sciences Department host Vibrant Freshers Day. Utkristha Thapa, Department of Mathematics, 5th semester reports.
Department of Sciences at Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri welcomed new batch of students on August 23, 2025. Students began the program with hearty lunch that fostered informal interaction and bonding between freshers and seniors. The formal program commenced in the auditorium with a prayer and welcome words by Father C.M. Paul, Vice Principal of Sciences, followed by cake-cutting ceremony. The celebration unfolded with spirited performances by senior students, including dance and song presentations. Interactive games added energy and laughter, setting the stage for freshers to showcase their talents in music, dance, and song. A highlight of the event was the much-anticipated ramp walk, where freshers expressed their style and confidence. Dr. Rakchanda Chhetri, Dean of Sciences, delivered the closing remarks, and the program concluded with a heartfelt vote of thanks by Nayuma Rani Rai.
Utkristha Thapa reporting. Photo of the week. Department of Geography, student Mayuk Shah, 3rd semester, and Rajdeep Prasad, 5th semester, took first place in the BHU Jigyasa 2025 quiz competition held at Municipality Auditorium, Prayas Bhavan, Jalpaiguri. It was organized by Bongyo Bhugol Manch, Jalpaiguri district on August 31st. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by RSR International's Team Research Get Future Ready. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.